everyone. You weren't expecting me today, were you? But it is March the 1st and I have lots to tell you. But I'm going to do it in super quick time. For my customers who are on my newsletter, I'm going to be sending out a newsletter today, tomorrow or Monday. It depends how much the day runs away with me. But I thought I would jump on and kind of tell you a lot of what's going to be on there. So if you're not currently on my newsletter, then if you're watching this live, you won't be able to see the details, but as soon as it's finished, I'll put a link underneath for how to join my newsletter. So it goes out once a week generally, and every week has a free tutorial on it. So sometimes it has lots of news, like today we'll have lots of news on there because it's beginning of the month, and then other weeks there will just be the tutorial and not a lot else, but it's always worth having. So what have I got to tell you about? So March the 1st, so we've got a couple of things going on. So I'm going to move you first of all over to this screen here, because I now want to say, and I have been sharing this with you the last Wednesday and the Wednesday before, but the Sale-a-Bration coordination items are now live. Yay! So basically, the things that I've been sharing with you and things you can see on the screen here are items that are that coordinate with some of our free Sale-a-Bration items. So these items aren't free, these are purchasable, so you haven't got to spend a certain amount to get them or anything like that. You can just purchase them as you do normal products from us anyway. So this is showing here, this one here. So these are the dies that go with the Hello Cupcake Celebration set. You've also got these dies that go with the second release Painted Seasons stamp set. You've got the frogs, and I've had a lot of people going, oh, wouldn't it be easy if we had dies for the frogs? So yay, we have got dies for the frogs, and we have dies for the lilies as well. We've got a new punch that goes with, well, it goes with anything, but it's kind of there to go with the Part of My Story Celebration set. But it goes with anything. It's a good size, so lots of different sentiments fit in that, including these ones here. These are meant to go, so if I do that bit bigger, there we go. These are meant to go with some of the celebration sets as well. So today calls for something sweet, would obviously go with the cupcakes, with extra sprinkles on top, cupcakes, jumping in, hopping by, leaping for joy is easy to do, all with obviously the frogs. But you've also got good wishes there that you can colour the bottom half with. So if you saw my Facebook Live on Wednesday, I did a card there. Oh, in fact, I might show it in a minute. Hold on, because I've got it just here. Here you go, that there. So you can see, oh, hello. See, the bottom is done in a darker colour. So you stamp in the Calypso Coral first, and then go over with basic grey, and I did my sentiment in Night of Navy. So that's that one. Let's move back to there. So you can have birthday wishes, Christmas wishes, New Year's wishes, Easter wishes. It's great. It is great. I love it. So there they are, and the prices are there. So the stamp set's £16 or €21. You've got it in French and German as well. The lily dies, the Call Me Cupcake dies, and the Hop Around dies are all £25 or €33. The Four Seasons framelit dies just £1 more or €1 more, so £26 or €34. And the Story Label Punch is £17 or €22. So only available during March and only while supplies last. So happy St David's Day, Rebecca. So yes, so I can't guarantee how long these are going to stay around for. Once they are gone, they are gone. So, and I know they have been super popular, those sets. So there we go. So that's the first thing I needed to tell you about. Second thing I needed to tell you about is not that, it's that. We have third release Sale-a-Bration items. So these items are for free when you place an order of £45 or more. So that's where, you can't really see my name there, but if you're looking to shop for products, there we go, www.natalieoshea.stampinup.net will get you to the shop where you can earn these for free. So, did you fall in love, like I did, with the Painted Seasons pattern paper in the bundle? So the second release that we released in the middle of February was the Painted Seasons paper and stamp set. Well, it's been so popular, they have given you an option to just get the paper. Woohoo! So yeah, so I love this paper. I'm stocking up on this as much as I can. So there are a whole variety of things. So it says, our brand new Painted Seasons Design Series paper is now available to be earned separately. Along with this fabulous paper, we have some additional items from our current catalogue which you can now get for free through Sale-a-Bration. Now, if you are ordering online, that sentence there is really important. So it says, the Sale-a-Bration item codes provided here must be used in order for the items to be redeemed for the Sale-a-Bration promotion. So they've given these items a new number just so that they can tally it up with being a kind of a free item, whereas if you were to add it to your order normally, it would be the normal cost. So what have we got there then? So we've got the Painted Seasons DSP, love that. The Share What You Love embellishment kit, the Scattered Sequins embossing folder, the mini pizza boxes there, pearlised doilies, but 2 packs of those, rich raspberry velvet ribbon, but 2 reels of that, the Petal Promenade Designer Series paper, and delightfully detailed laser cut speciality paper. So you can still get all the level 1 items except for that ribbon, and the butterfly elements, as I say, are still on very low inventory. So any of those, you can still get those. You can still get the frogs, you can still get the cupcakes, you can still get the lily. Then you can have any of the release 2, which was the Paint and Seasons bundle for the paper and the stamp set, the All Adorned stamp set, and that beautiful embossing folder, Country Floral, that I shared on Wednesday. So just even more products that you can pick for free. So all of these are a level 1, get them for free when you order £45 or more. So they're all sort of a £10-ish value, pretty much. But it's all good. But back to me. So there we go. So Sale-a-Bration coordination available now while stocks last, and only available this month. The 3rd release, Sale-a-Bration items free with a £45 order. So like, wow. So that's all good. What else do I need to tell you about? I've got a new online class. It's the 1st of March, so I have a new online class that is launching. I haven't told anyone about this yet. It will go out in my customer newsletter and it will go up on my blog. Maybe today, we will see. But I've gone cats and dogs mad. So, and I've got 2 different kits, or you can buy them both. So what is this? What is this? So one kit, oh, probably need to move that, there we go, is the 9 Lives stamp set, the Pussycat Punch, and, oh, what have I done with it? A quarter pack, there we go, a quarter pack of gingham Designer Series paper as well. You'll also get all the card that you need. I'll show you the cards in a second. So all the card that you need to make 5 cards, 5 envelopes, and all the bits. So in this instance, you'll get some rhinestones in black as well. So yeah, oh, I should probably have got the prices up. Hold on. Oh, I've got to remember them. Hang on, I know where it's quick and easy. Should have had that to try hand, didn't I? Right, so let's do 9 Lives. So that kit plus card, plus postage to your door. So 2nd class recorded. So those punches are quite heavy. And all the bits card and envelope is £43 posted to your door. So 5 cards, all these bits, quarter pack of this, £43. But you can add, so on the cards, I've used my very fabulous favourite Subtles embossing folder. Look, you can see my window there in the ceiling. So the Subtles, maybe if I do that, won't be so bad. There we go. So the Subtles embossing folder, which makes all your plain paper look textured. So you can add that, and again, posted to your door for £52. So all of that, 5 cards, all to your door. Well, it includes step-by-step videos and PDFs as well. So that's the 9 Lives. Or if you're not a cat person and you're a dog person, then we have the Happy Tails set. So the Happy Tails stamp set and punch. Again, quarter pack of the gingham DSP, and that posted to your door is £40. So all of that, plus the cards, plus the envelopes, £40. Again, you can add that Subtles embossing folder if you don't have it, and the kit goes to £49. posted to your door. Or you can, I think I might run out of space, or you can have both of those, half a pack of that for £80 delivered to your door, or add the sausage and embossing folder as well, £87 to your door. So there you go. So do you want to have a quick look? So I've gone super simple, but I love them. I love them, I love them, I love them. And they're all kind of a set really. So let's do the cats first. So look at these. Nice springy colours as well. Oh, I am going to run out of space. So there we go. So that's the 5. So you'll get everything. So you get the base card, the layers, and this. I wanted to show you. So is it going to show up on here? Depending on where the light gets it. Can you see? Oh, you can see that. Look at that. So look at that texture here. Oh, love it. Love it. And so rather than it just being plain, looks good. So again, you can change all the sentiments on these. You can have them as you wish. You will have extra cards. So if you wanted a Grapefruit Grove cat, you could have that. Some rhinestones on each of them there. Fab. Love them. Super simple, but super effective and great. To send your vet, to send anyone who's lost their pet, to just send as anybody who loves cats or dogs. So here's the dogs ones. So as you see, very similar. And am I going to run out of space? Can you see all those? Let's move them along a bit. There you go. So I love them. Just super simple. Oh, let's do that. Super simple, super springy. And if you buy both kits, you'll get enough for everything. So there you go. Right, so I think that's it. I think that's it. As I say, get on my email list and you'll find out about anything I've forgotten about. Oh, I have got an all-day class coming up as well, which I haven't told anyone about yet. So Saturday the 23rd of March. So if you're free, Saturday the 23rd of March, I am just about to launch an all-day class. So just over 3 weeks' time. It's on a Saturday. It'll be held at my home, so I will be limited to just the first 8 people that want to come. And yeah, I will send full details of that out with my newsletter. So you need to get on the newsletter. That's what you need to do. And you'll find everything there. So I hope, oh, I've just realised that I'm talking to you and you're just looking at my piece of paper. So Michael says, where are the eyes? Well, oh, with the eyes and the cats and dogs, well, it's up to you. You could add rhinestones, you could do anything, but I've just left mine plain. Entirely up to you what you want to do. You could add some googly eyes, you could add a little white pen, you can do whatever you want to do, but I've just kept mine as silhouettes as such. But there we go. So I'm going to leave you there. Yeah, any questions, just post them below. If you don't already like my Facebook page, then give us a like and you'll get notified by Facebook when I go live next, which should be next Wednesday, unless I feel the need to come on earlier. If you're watching this on YouTube and you don't subscribe to my channel, then just hit the subscribe. And again, YouTube will let you know when I upload new videos. Right, I think that's it. Give me a shout if you've got any questions. But otherwise, I just want to thank you for watching. And if you want to order any of the Sale-a-Bration coordination items, then you can do so at that address. Just click that and hit this shop now, and you'll be taken through. You can see the whole Sale-a-Bration coordination subject on the left-hand side. Okay, thanks very much. I'll be back on next Wednesday.